Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up or create a multi-level mega menu with image in Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill or without using any apps. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify looks like a premium store that must be user friendly, SEO friendly, and boost your sales, then you can continue this video. Also, you don't have to use any premium theme because we are going to do this in the free theme. So right now you can see that I'm on the Shopify theme directory and going to click on the view all and select free theme. Okay, here is the all the free theme. Select newest. Okay, so I have already created a Shopify store using horizon theme, and you can see here is the horizon theme, and I have already created a multi-level mega menu with image, you see, and we are going to do this same mega menu on Shopify new theme. So which theme? I have already published it on Shopify fabric theme, and today in this video I'm going to do this on Savor theme because I want to share my content for every Shopify user no matter which theme they are using. I want to make video for every Shopify user based on themes, individual themes that they are using. So in this video I'm going to use server theme and create a multi-level mega menu like this one. We can control everything. You see there have a 1 2 3 4 5 column. We can make it 3 4 or 5 column. We can add individual images in here, control the tags, everything, you see. And here is the 4, here is the different style, you see. And if I go to the customize section of this mega menu, then you can understand better way actually how much options I have added on this horizon theme mega menu. This is not horizon theme mega menu, this is mega menu, and I have added on horizon theme. You see here is the mega menu under the header, and you see here is the option like use logo for mobile, for default header, control the default column, then logo text fallback, that is must SEO relevant. If you ignore it, that will show you the wrong or negative score on your SEO performance. So we have added this one. I do this because I am professionally not only a Shopify developer, also a SEO expert. And you can control logo size. Here is the logo size. Show search icon. You can control the show search icon or height search icon. You see, control account icon, layout, navigation height, sticky height, max width, font size, mobile backpoint, hide header when scrolling down, enable transparent header on home page. You see, enable transparent header on home page. Also full control on color. You see, we have added too much option in here. And now I want to show you the mega menu sub menu option. Here is the Y garden type. Looks like Y garden type. We can control all the image, column 1 image batch. For example, if you add hot in here, batch 1 hot Y garden, you see here is the hot. Also you can control the batch color, you see. Everything is available what actually need for a professional mega menu. Okay, now our task is that how we can edit on Shopify server theme. Okay, to do this First of all, you must have to active your server theme. So I'm going to active the server theme in here, online store. And here is the server theme. Just click on the add. Okay, it's adding. We have to wait a little bit time to complete the installation. It has been added just now. Click on the publish and reload. Reload again. Untrack. Go back. I'm going to preview. Here is the server theme, you see. And to make it a little bit looks like a store, we have to add a banner in here. So I'm going to add a banner. Edit theme. Click on the edit theme. Then here is the hero section. In the hero section, we just have to add an image. For example, we are going to add this one. Yes, perfect. Okay. Okay. We added this image, or you can use different image for more professional looks. We can use this one. Okay, now it looks good. And now our task is that how to set up the mega menu. So first of all, you have to send. So first of all, you have to send me a message by WhatsApp that you need this mega menu ready code snippet. Then I will share a file with you that I'm going to use right now. So so to add this file, you have to go to your admin panel again and click on this three dot icon, edit code. Just wait a little bit time to complete the loading editor. Okay, right now we are on the code edit section. Then we have to open the section folder and simply drag and drop this file. This file name is megamenu.pro.liquid. You will find this file from me by WhatsApp. Just send me message that you need a file for megamenu. So you don't have to do any single code in here or anything. You see, there I have added more than 2000 plus line of code, so you don't have to worry about that. Now go back the customize section and click on the edit theme. And click on add section. You see mega menu pro, just click on it. Very simple process. When you click on it mega menu pro, then you have to hide the header because we are going to add everything from mega menu pro. And in mega menu pro, you see there is a mega menu already, but it's not looks like this one. So why? First, I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to explain why. The why, because you have to set up the mega menu from the menu navigation section or menu navigation options. So let me show you. Click on content, menu, and main menu. In here you have to set up your mega menu. For example, you can see here is a fashion, beauty. Let me show you the fashion and beauty. For now, if I reload and put my mouse on fashion, it looks like a general menu, but we want to make it looks like this one. So to do this, just copy the title, must be similar, copy fashion, and click on the mega menu item and add this link in here, fashion. You see, when I click on the fashion, it's become different, and now we have to add the image one. For example, going to add image this one, or okay, you see the image in available in here. New arrival dresses, you can change the new arrival text from here. In the same way, you have to add other section or column images from here. So you see, click on the save, reload. Wow, it's working. So I hope you understand how to add multi-level mega menu on your Shopify fabric theme, and you can set up on your and set up it on your store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.